How to lower blood sugar naturally with apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar, ACV, has gained attention for its potential to lower blood sugar levels naturally. Rich in acetic acid, ACV can improve insulin sensitivity and help manage blood glucose. Do you want to stabilizing blood sugar, optimizing A1C, or restoring balanced glucose levels? The results are real and lasting. Visit the link below in the description to learn more. Here's a simple guide on how to lower blood sugar naturally with apple cider vinegar. 1. ACV and water. To start, mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar with 8 ounces of water. Drink this solution before meals to help prevent blood sugar spikes. This simple remedy is one of the most effective ways to incorporate ACV into your routine. 2. ACV as a salad dressing. Another easy way to use ACV is by incorporating it into your diet as a salad dressing. Combine it with olive oil, garlic, and lemon juice to create a healthy, blood sugar-friendly dressing. It's a flavorful way to enjoy the benefits without the need for extra steps. 3. ACV and lemon drink. For added benefits, mix apple cider vinegar with fresh lemon juice. This combo not only helps regulate blood sugar, but also boosts immunity and promotes digestion. Drink it before or after meals for better results. 4. Benefits beyond blood sugar. Besides lowering blood sugar, ACV can aid in weight loss, improve digestion, and support heart health by reducing triglycerides and cholesterol levels. It's a natural, versatile option to improve overall wellness. Precautions and considerations. While apple cider vinegar is generally safe, it's important to use it with care. Always dilute ACV with water to avoid irritation of the throat or stomach. Consuming undiluted vinegar may erode tooth enamel over time. Start with small amounts and monitor your body's response. If you're on blood sugar medications, consult your doctor, as ACV may enhance their effects, potentially causing low blood sugar. To lower blood sugar naturally with apple cider vinegar, incorporate it into your diet with simple methods like water solutions or salad dressings. Start slowly and monitor your body's response, and consult with a healthcare provider if you are on blood sugar medications. Do you want to stabilizing blood sugar, optimizing A1C, or restoring balanced glucose levels? The results are real and lasting. Visit the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.